Something is very common on password for security. As you know, usually they are not showing the password on the screen. We have actually specified property on the text box for this case. If I close that and select my text box, on the properties panel, we have a property named PasswordChar. If I set something like star or asterisk or anything and press enter or return, if I start running the program, allow me to run the form, and start typing, everything not gonna show, and it will show asterisk instead of that. But note that it's still the password and value, it is correct. So you could use that benefit for your passwords. And another section which we will continue on the next video, but let's make the first sections of that, is about username. Allow me to Ctrl-Drag to duplicate it. However, the orders of name has been changed. This is text box 2, but at the top, that's okay. I say username. Okay, we need more space here. Note that, let's say I want to add a username to, for example, Alex. So if I click on that, first it is better to say login, maybe. Login. We need both at the same time be correct. Text box 1 be 123 and text box 2 be Alex. So here I could use and text box 2.text equal Alex. Alright, and run. Let's see password set here, Alex. Okay. Oops, I forgot to remove the password character. I remove it. Okay. Alexa 123. Not gonna work because my username was Alex, so remove it. Login, there it is, and enable that. But we have some issues here. First of all, password, it is case sensitive, but username, it is not. So if I close that and type the password 123 and say Alex here and login, still not gonna work because Alex with capital A, it is different with a small a. Secondly, because I made my text box of password first and then copied this one, when I'm running the program, my tab of cursor by default is inside of password, but we need be inside of the username. So we need actually do some manipulations here, which I will cover in the next videos.